So reprogramming the mind is exactly like when you update a computer program. Have you ever noticed when you have to update your phone or some app on your computer or something like that, the whole system shuts down? Can't text, can't call, can't type, none of that. This is exactly what we do in a meditative state. Through meditation, we disconnect from the program. In this meditative state, we can update and then reprogram. It's that easy. In the 3D linear conditions, you just can't do it. You can wish and hope and take action and do all the things you want, but if you don't go in and separate yourself, there's no way. There's just no way you will actually become better than you ever could have imagined.